Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Filmora editing video series. In this video, we will create 3 different types of end screens for the YouTube channels. So the first one will be for the technical channel. The second one will be for the gaming channel. And the third one will be for the cooking channel. You will find all these end screen themes in the Filmora 11. So let's start with the video.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here on the screen you will see the Filmora 11 opened, and here you can see I'm using the version 11.4.3. So I'm on the screen and I'm on the media tab. Now here you will see different tabs: media, stock media, audio, titles. So we are on the media tab. Now here you will see the option preset templates. Click on it. Now here you will see different options: all templates, theme, go to theme, and under theme you will see audio visualizer, YouTube channel and game. So this is the option that we are going to select, YouTube channel. Now here you will see different preset themes that you can use to create end screen for YouTube channels. If these themes are not downloaded, you will see this option here, the small green icon. You can click on this icon and it will start downloading the theme or the preset on your computer. So first you need to download these themes on your computer. So you simply click on this and it will get downloaded. So let's start with the technical channel end screen. Here you will see different technical channel end screens. So I'm going to select this one. So let's see how does this look. I have it already downloaded. Okay, now let's click on it, drag it and drop it here. Now you will see all the files have been downloaded here. And if you go to project media, you will see different files added to the project. Now here we are going to make changes and we are going to add our own files here, our own videos and logo here. So let me import the files. I have already downloaded 2 sample videos and 1 sample logo here. So now let's see. Thanks for watching. If you want to change this message, you can simply double click on it and you will see the message here. Thanks for watching my channel, let's say. Thanks for watching video. So this is how you can make changes. These are the settings for this particular text area. Now here you will see next video. So you can make changes to this one also. And this is for the previous video. So if you click on it, you will see the option to make changes. If you want to change color, you can change color. So this is how you can modify this text. Now here you will see the account, Instagram account. If you have any account link, you can simply put the link here. I'm just typing it. This is the dummy account, Facebook account. So this is how you can show your links to your social media accounts, and you can adjust the length, adjust the position. Now here we need to change this video. So what I'm going to do, this is the video. When you highlight this one, you will see the video here. So I'm going to replace this one with my video. So let's select this video from the media folder, click on it, press the Alt key on your keyboard. Now drag it and drop it here. Now you will see that your video is replaced here. Let's do the same thing with the another video. Select this video and you will see the video file here. Now select the second video, drag it, press the Alt key on your keyboard and drop it here, and you will see the video has been replaced. Now this is the image, so you will see the image here. So So if you want to change this image, you can simply select your image, drag it and drop it here, press the Alt key and drop it here. Now you need to make some changes, or you can simply delete the previous one, and you can drag and drop your own image here so that you can crop it, resize it and put it here. So you need to make some changes so that it will show properly. Now here we are going to select the mask. Alright. So this is the logo that we are showing on the video. Now here you can change the channel name, and we will keep subscribe button as it is. Now let's play it. So let's delete this one. Alright, so this is how we can make changes to the preset themes, and we can replace their videos with our own videos. Right now let's export it, and let's say take channel paint screen. This will be the name of the video. Export it. Done. Now let's play the video. Now let's move on to the next paint screen. That will be for the technical channel. So let's delete all the media from this timeline. Delete the empty tracks. Now let's go to the project media and let me remove the previous files from here, except the sample files and my logo, the dummy logo. Alright, now let's go back to the themes, then go to YouTube channel, and this time I'm going to use this theme for the gaming channel end screen. So let's see how does this look. Alright, so let's click on it, drag and drop it here. Okay, you will see all the files here. If you go to project media, you will see the files. Okay, now this is the background video. Now if you want to change this background video, you can simply drag and drop your own video. Okay, you can see that we have replaced this video. Okay, now you can change this name and simply double click on it and change the text. If you want to change the color, you can change the color also. Same with this next video text also. Now here, if you want to place the videos, the next video or the previous video, you can place it. Otherwise, you can use it as a template for the YouTube end screen. Now here you will see the option to change for the social media accounts here. You can make changes here. Simply double click on it. And from here you can change the name. Same with the small text here. Same with these three icons. If you want to delete this completely, you can simply click on it and you will see it here highlighted. Select that one and you can delete it. So this is how you can remove this icon from here. Now this is the gaming pack. You can see it here. This is the second one, and this is the overlay actually. And this is the audio. If you want to change the audio, you can change it. All right, now let's export it. Name it as game channel. done. Now let's close it. Alright, now let's move on to the next one. Let me delete all the elements from the timeline. Now let's go back to the option again, YouTube channel. Now this is the option for cooking channel end screen. So I'll select this one. So let's see how does this look. Right now, drag it and drop. Okay, now here you will see the background image. This is the background image actually. Now if you want to change this image, you can change it. So let's say I'm going to change this with this logo. So select it, drag it and drop it while holding the Alt key. Okay, you can see the background image has been changed. Right, so that does not look good. This is just the sample image. So let me replace it again. Right now this is the video. So we are going to replace this one with the sample one. So let's select this one. Yes, these are the sample videos only. Select this one, drag it and drop it while holding the Alt key. Okay, so it's not showing the actual size, so we need to resize it, and we can simply put it here. So this is just a sample video. If you have your own cooking video, you can put it here. So this is the text. You can double click on it, and after that you can change the text. Here you will see the social media icons. This is the tasty food icon. Place the name of your cooking channel. Here is the subscribe button. This is the image. We can replace this with the other image. Let's put this one here. So I'm going to drag it and drop it here. So it is not resized. Fitting properly, so I'm going to just drag it and put it here, and after that I'm going to resize it and I'll put it here. So this will be the logo of your YouTube channel. Maybe make it full width. Okay, and let's have some animation here. Let's use the mask. So this one looks good. Now let's have some animation here. So I'm going to add keyframe. Say let's use this one. Alright, so this one looks good. Now let's play. So this one looks good. Now let's export it. Close it. Now let's play the video. So let's close it. So this is how you can create YouTube channel end screen using Filmora 11. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.